Namaste, welcome to Invastu.com. Hope you liked our previous video with regard to study table. We did receive a few queries and we tried our level best to respond. Today's video, as you can see, is regarding Vastu on dining tables. Dining table is your space where you would have, let's say, your family time, your time. You all work hard and strive at the end of the day to sit and enjoy your meal. But somehow you miss out on the sense of contentment, satisfaction by the end of the day. This is the space where we feel Vastu is important for you to attain that particular point where you feel satisfied and successful by the end of the day. Dining table. Yes, we would prefer the dining table as per Vastu to be in the southeast corner. Ideally, a zone where a lot of heat is blocked. Reason being because this is the space that needs to give you a lot of warmth and positivity. Most of the places you would find it in vicinity of your kitchen. Practically also, yes, but there is a reason because the warmth comes only from that particular space, especially in the southeast direction. Now for your dining table, there are certain pointers which we would like to let you know which will enhance this positivity. As you can notice, you should either have a nice open view, large window around your dining area. If not, a mirror that reflects this space always will enhance and improve the contentment aspect. Beyond that, dining table should not be circular. It's always preferable to have a square or a rectangular shape. And at the same time, no sharp edges anywhere. Preferable, as I have said, the tabletops can be made of granite, marble, glass also is fine as long as I've mentioned, the base of the table is made out of wood. Beyond that, what I would like to tell is never keep your dining space empty. If you're not using it also, have certain knickknacks. If not, at least have a copper bowl filled with water. Anything that is used as a food item, food accessory, which is an essential. Things like that will always bring in positivity in this particular space. Also, do not have any image which has an emptiness in it. Like some of them keep a violent image. No. Some of them keep some of those images which are not appropriate, let me put this way. Avoid those. Keep an image which is like, I can say, related to food, related to joy, a bright, colorful one. That is all good. These are basic minor pointers which I would like to let you know in terms of Vastu, which will enhance your satisfaction and definitely give you a positive frame of mind. And for you after this to maybe go for a walk, to sleep, it all starts here at your dining space. Once again, welcome to Invastu.com, Vijendra Bhattija.